Hey guys, welcome to Cast, and in this video I will be reviewing and unboxing this Inno18 Nissan Skyline Liberty Walk Super Silhouette. So I've been looking forward to this model. It just came in today, and if you guys don't know the brand, I don't really purchase this brand, and they don't really make a lot of 1/18 scale models. They're more of the 1/64 scale models. As you can see with the tape here, it says Inno64. That's what they focus on. I do want to quickly mention that this box is really heavy. It's really dense in there, so I am liking it a lot. The heavier the box, the better. Hopefully better quality as well, and I guess we'll find out. I have not opened this at all yet, so we'll see what's inside. So we'll open this up. Let's see what lies ahead. Take these off here. Let's do it really carefully. I don't want to ruin anything in the inside. Okay, we see a nice red box on the inside. It says right here, Inno18 model car making is an art itself. I am already liking this a lot. Let's try not to drop it. It's really heavy, guys. Like it's got some weight to it. Oh my gosh, it's really got some weight to it. So it's got this cool box here. There's another layer of plastic. Looks like you can take the plastic off. Let's see. Super excited. Like, it just gives you a teaser of what comes next. I guess I'll show you around first before I get too excited here. And this black and red livery is inspired by the Super Silhouette that raced back in the 80s. 70s, 80s? I believe 80s. I do have those auto art models. Those Super Silhouettes, I have both of them. So I will be reviewing that in a future time. Anyways, let's get to this. Very, very excited. Let's see if I can take this off without removing the other side. I think I can. Well, I guess I'll just take it off from there. Like, so there's a piece that slides off, and there's another, like, it's like a slip case. Oh, that's sick. Oh, that's sick. And I just want to mention again, it's quite heavy. Alright, so here we are. I guess it just opens up. Well, I just want to show you guys the box first, I guess. So yes, let's go around. And same thing. Alright. So it just opens up this way. Oh my gosh, it's like the suspense is killing me. Alright. I think these flaps drop down. Just the one side, I guess. Oh my goodness, that is beautiful. And it comes with this nice nice acrylic case. Let's see if I can be able to take it off. And it has this nice foam padding too, just to make sure there's no scratches or anything. And it's all around the case. Let's see if I can get this out of here. Wow, that is gorgeous, guys. I'm just gonna take this aside. That is gorgeous. This is breathtaking, actually. I'm very impressed. The top part comes off, like the top part of this acrylic comes off, so if you do purchase this, like, be careful. It's pretty loose in there. It's not clipped to anything or snap on, so just to be aware. Yeah, it's gorgeous. I love it. Let's see if I can check out the bottom of this model. Being extra careful here. If there's any screws. There are no screws underneath, so I think it will be just in this case. That's what's gonna happen here. So I'll see what I can do. Alright, so I can't unfortunately take it out of the base plate, well, the base. I'm just going to do the review from here, just because it's a lot easier. And let's start with the usual side. As you can see, right in this section. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna try to take this off. It might be a lot better to see. So set this aside, pardon me. Yeah, so let's see if I can show you guys. Okay, first of all, I just want to say it's a breathtaking model. Like, it's amazing. I love the whole tuck tires, stance look. It's something that I don't really have on my collection, and it's just amazing to see this kind of quality. So I'm very impressed by that. And then at the same time, we do see some nice decals here, like the vibrant red color in contrast with the black. Like, it really has this homage to that livery from that original Skyline silhouette. So the decals seem to be very flushed. They are in pretty good application. There's no, like, what do you call that? There's no texture to it. It's all just like one smooth surface, which I like. And then you see, well, since this is an R34, has these nice Liberty Walk wide body panels, and if you can see, I'm just gonna do a zoom in here on the side. You can see these vents here are through and through vents, and you have these nice mesh grill in there. And let's see if it's the same in the front. Yep, same in the front as well. You see these nice through and through vents. Right off the bat, I do see that this door handle is a separate piece, and same with the side mirrors, separate piece. And obviously this is a resin model, so it cannot be open, unfortunately. Would have been nice to see some detail inside, but it is what it is. Going to the front here in the corner, we do see more vents. And going to the front, vents ahoy, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we have these massive vents right here up top. Some more vents. Well, this is the original grill, and then we have vents right here, 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 and then more ducts right here and right here next to the side markers. Sorry, not side markers, signal lights. But yeah, like, I love the stance. Like, it's so low. It's crazy low. Pretty much the same on this side. Oh, I forgot to mention that the windshield wipers are separate pieces. And oh my goodness, I forgot to mention, look at the exhaust. It's a side exhaust right here, and if you look on the other side, there is no side exhaust, so it's just coming on one side. Just an added detail. Very nice added detail. And then going to the rear, we have this nice huge rear diffuser. Let's see if I can go to that in a bit. Nice rear diffuser, LB performance, huge wing, aftermarket obviously, separate pieces for the taillights, separate pieces for the rear. I'm not sure what these are for, because I assume the signal lights are right here, unless the signal lights move down here. I'm not sure what these are for. And I forgot to mention that the headlights up front, very, very detailed, amazing detail. And I just want to quickly do a quick mention here. You can see this nice cloth. I'm not sure what cloth they used, but it's a very soft, like a soft velvety cloth that they used for the base. And then they have this red stitching all around. And then they have this nice plate that says Nissan Skyline, LBWK, aka Liberty Walk, R34, Super Silhouette. And then another one right here. And then right here is the model, Inno18. Alrighty, since this model is quite heavy, I'm just gonna do the wheel detail this way. It's like, and I just don't want to drop it or anything. So yeah, like it has some Advan wheels, very nice. Nice detail on the tires. You can see the lug nuts separate on, like in the middle there, very nice. Nissan caliper. The rotors, they looked a little bit textured, like you can see the lines on them, very nice. You can see the Yokohama rubber, like it seems textured as well. And then we go to the rears, pretty much the same. There is no decal that says Nissan on the caliper, because I believe this is a smaller caliper at the back here. And then everything is pretty much virtually the same. Very, very cool. And you can see more detail on the fabric as well. You can see it's kind of a textured, but it's very smooth, velvety fabric. And unfortunately, I am not able to show you underneath the model. Let's just assume it's detailed. Who knows? Alright, let's go to interior detail. Again, this is not an opening model, so I'll try to show you guys as best as I can. The windows seem clear enough that I can show you a lot of detail, so lots of aftermarket parts here. So that's a deep steering wheel. You can see the e-brake in the middle there. It's pretty bare. There's no boot on it anymore. There's that. Aftermarket seat. Looks like a bride seat. Yes, it is. Bride, brid. What people call it. I call it bride, but some people call it brid or bride. I don't know. I still like to call it bride. Nothing much on that end. Let's see if I can show you guys the gauge cluster. Let's see. Yeah, there's a gauge cluster. It's just a glare that's kind of making it hard to see, but you can kind of see the dials there. You can see the stalks on the turn signal there. Yeah, I like that they put the stalks there. Very nice. Let's see. I am very surprised that there is no harnesses. Like, sorry, there are no harnesses. Like, where are the harnesses? Like, you got the bucket seat. Where's the dang harness? So, I don't know. It's kind of lacking in that department. And I don't even see the seat belts on the side as well. But again, like, it's a very detailed model. I'm very happy. And this is a better look at those vents, by the way. Very nice. It's a very detailed model. I'm very impressed. For my first Inno18 model, like, well, in the Inno brand itself, like, this is my first one, so it's pretty good. And we do have the roll cage painted in yellow all around. pretty bare car. Lots of good decals here. Yeah, it's there's not much detail. Yeah, you can see that nice shift knob and the shift boot. Yeah, like it's basically a empty, like a bare car. There's not much to see in the middle there. Just a aftermarket center console for more gauges. We do see a little bit of the pedals. They're metal pedals. I don't see much at the back as well, unfortunately. Again, it's probably like just a bare itself. Like, I mean, look at the back. And I do like the glossiness of it. Like it just shows that it's just a bare metal detail. Amazing model. I really like this model a lot. Lots of cool details, and it's like the more you see the details, the more vibrant it gets and the more you appreciate the model. Well, I think that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.